We are under a blizzard warning in Missouri, southwest Missouri. So we're going to go ahead and feed the cat. Cat's down there. Got the deck all cleared off, so if it starts snowing and icing, it's supposed to get ice and snow. Just misting right now. So we'll see. And we got some pizza. We're going to eat a pizza. And there is southwest Missouri. And there's us. Right here on the edge of all this stuff. So we'll see what happens. What's gonna happen, Ruger? Huh? What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen, Boog? Boogie Boog? Boogie Boog! Oh, he's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. So anyway, I'll do another video later whenever it hits. See you guys.